how this affect the price of electricity in Macedonia, and what your expectation in the next period?
Listen, there is a very basic rule in the market economy. North Macedonia is a market economy country, that the price has to cover the cost of production, and following this example, the more renewables will be in the system, the cheaper will be electricity. The more integration with neighboring countries, so the balancing cost would be lowered, the lower will be the prices in the future. The lower is demand because of the energy efficiency, the lower is the price in the future. They are the very simple choices, but the more coal you will have and the longer coal you will have in your energy mix, the higher will be the prices in the future. So at some point you have to take this decision, and this is exactly what we expect from your government, to provide to the Secretariat the strategy until 2030 and to explain what will be the strategy for decarbonization. So what is the capacity of renewables to come? What is the regional market integration vision? What is the future of the generation capacities based on coal? This is the decision to be taken by your government soon.